Hello and welcome to yet another Equity for Keeps video, and in this video we are covering Teladoc Health. Teladoc Health, according to certain analysts, is one of the three stocks that are immune so far. They have proved immune to the coronavirus pandemic. The others are Netflix and Amazon. So we just quickly exit this presentation and go and see what we have on the various pieces written by Schaeffer, by the folks at Schaeffer Investment Research. This piece was written by their CEO, and he says it comes as little surprise that the telehealth provider, Teladoc Health, has been making a name for itself in 2020. A leader in a small group of healthcare companies providing services that allow patients to connect to their physicians via computer. Teladoc Health has become a household name in the age of social distancing. In fact, back in late April, the company shared a disappointing quarterly report, but was still met with no fewer than 11 price target hikes by covering analysts. What's more, TDOC has surged 114% year to date and is now being seen flirting with a historically bullish trend line. According to data from the analysts, TDOC has pulled back within one standard deviation of its 40-day moving average within the past 3 years. 8 of these signals have occurred. Within the last 3 years, 8 of these signals have occurred, with each enjoying a 21-day average gain of 8.79%, with 71% of these returns positive. A similar move from Thursday's from the securities Thursday night close. Thursday night was the 14th of May 2020 of $179.54, would put Teladoc just above $195, back on track to take out its April 27 record peak. So to cut a long story short, they have he concluded here and said that in fact, heading into Friday's trading, just over 50% of the 21 covering firms spot a tepid hold recommendation. Should these bearish bets begin to unwind, it could send another round of tailwinds to push the equity even higher. Lastly, short interest has dropped off, down 17.1% during the past two reporting periods. However, this accounts for 12.1% of the stock's total available float. In simpler terms, it would take shorts almost 3 days to buy back their bearish positions, an ample amount of buying power that could hit the market and fuel a short-term surge. So you can see here 3 stocks immune to the coronavirus. So you have Teladoc, they have it there. Amazon, Teladoc, and Netflix. So here on Charles Schwab, you can see we have a put call ratio of 0.5 for 30-day and 0.3 for 1 day, which is roughly about 0.4, indicating that about 75% of the open interests on the options are mostly call. So the traders there are overwhelmingly on the call side of things, and the short interest you can see here 11.7%. So it has a market capitalization of 13.7 billion. So we're looking at the short value will be what would that be, roughly $1.5 billion in buying back ammunition. So we have here the chart of TDOC for 1 year, and this is this trend line here we're looking at is this one right here is that of the 20-day moving average, so which tracks the shortest of all the 3 we have here. So and during that time, it only closed below this trend line within when was that? When was that? Between December 2019 and December 12th, yes, December 12th, 13th of December 2019, and 15th of May 2020, it only closed below this simple moving average about 8 times. So it easily meets one of our criteria, and definitely if it did that for the 20-day moving average, it also did that for the 40 and the longer ones. And we have here the short interests and the details here from short squeeze, and then we have this chart over here from Yahoo Finance, and we were able to plot a standard deviation for okay, this is let's do 40-day because this is what they also did. So we have 15. So we 15 of the on this on I think 15 of on 15 occasions it was it traded above. It was within the standard deviation for which it was standard deviation of simple moving average. What do we have here? Simple moving average for 40. Yes. So that's our coverage of Teladoc Health, and you can see we've written some of those things out. So let's go back and have a look at the MACD here on this is what it looks like. It's the signal lines, the signal line and the MACD, they've been crossing their paths since when did they start doing that? Since December they've been doing that, and that was even before. Well, yes, the news about the COVID was already around, but that was mostly in China at that time. So this is what we're looking at right now, and then as at Friday the 15th of May, it deviated. So, but this will, based on what we have seen, certain traders will also believe that it will return to crossover again. So this definitely has a lot of bullish signals reaching all over it, and we've had there was a pullback here. This pullback occurred in which date was that? The pullback below the 20-day simple moving average occurred on the 30th of April, and since that time it hasn't tested this. That was exactly what you're saying over there on that Schaeffer investment research piece. Yes, 27th of April. So it hasn't retested that peak. So we have recent very minor pullbacks occurring on the 14th, which is on Thursday, but it has since went up again. Yeah, so a lot of bullish signals, and it has been up 120%. I think so far this year or thereabout. So this is December. Yes, since December, it was trading at $76.15 in December, and to date it's trading at 184%. So in less than 6 months, it has done over 100%. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.